My name is Emily Carter. I am 26 years old from Chicago. I work as a receptionist in a law office. I live with my mom and my younger brother. Life is simple, almost boring. Every morning I walk down the same street, grabbed the same coffee, and sat behind the same desk. My job was not special, but it was safe. I wanted more, maybe to study business, maybe to travel, but money was always tight. Still, I told myself, at least I am safe here. At least nothing dangerous could touch me. Or so I thought, because the day he walked into my office, something inside me changed. He came in with a smile. His name was Daniel. He was charming, too charming. His suit was sharp, his cologne strong. He said he was there to meet my boss. And yet, when his eyes looked at me, they stayed too long. Why did I feel like he already knew me? I shook it off. Just another client. Just another busy day. But inside, something whispered, "Be careful, Emily." Weeks passed. Daniel started showing up more often. He brought me coffee. He asked about my family. He said small things like, "You deserve more than this desk." How did he know what I dreamed of? I wanted to trust him. No man had looked at me like that before. But another voice inside me asked, why so much interest? One afternoon, he leaned over the desk and said, "Emily, you are wasting your life here. I can help you. I can give you a real chance." My heart jumped. Could this be my moment, my escape? But then I saw something strange. His hand shook slightly when he passed me his card. His eyes didn't shine. They hid something. What was he hiding? I told my mom about him. She said, "Emily, be careful. Easy promises bring hard lessons." I laughed, but I couldn't stop thinking about Danielle. And then one Friday night, he invited me out. He said, "I know a place where we can talk about your future." I should have said no, but I said yes. The restaurant was expensive, too expensive for someone like me. He ordered for me without asking. His voice was smooth, but his eyes kept scanning the room as if someone was watching. I asked, "What do you really want from me, Danielle?" He smiled. "You'll see soon." Soon? What did that mean? After dinner, he leaned close and whispered, "Emily, your boss is dirty. He's hiding things. I need someone on the inside. Help me, and I'll change your life." My blood froze. Was this man asking me to spy? I laughed nervously, but he grabbed my hand hard. "Think about it. You can't trust the people around you." And in that moment, I wondered, could I trust him? The next days were a blur. I went to work like normal, but every time I looked at my boss, doubt filled me. Was Daniel telling the truth? Or was he using me? I started noticing little things, filed, locked away, hushed phone calls, closed doors. Maybe Danielle was right. Maybe my boss was dirty. But why me? Why did Danielle choose me? One night, Danielle called. His voice was urgent. Emily, I need those files tonight. If you love your family, do it. My hands shook. My family? Why mention them? Something was wrong, very wrong. I went to the office, my heart racing. I found the files. I opened them, and what I saw made my blood run cold. Inside were names, numbers, transactions, huge amounts of money moving in and out. Some names I recognized, some were from the news, politicians, businessmen. Was my boss part of something criminal? And then I saw another name, Danielle. My chest tightened, my vision blurred. Why was his name here? The office door slammed. I turned, and Danielle stood there smiling. Good job, Emily, he said softly. You did exactly what I needed. I stepped back. You tricked me? He laughed. You think I wanted to help you. I just needed access, and you gave it to me. I felt sick. My knees almost gave out. How could I have been so blind? He took the files and walked out, just like that. No goodbye, no mercy. The next morning, everything collapsed. My boss was furious. The files were gone. Security cameras showed me there, alone at night. I was fired on the spot. My mom cried. My brother shouted at me, "Why did you trust him, Emily?" And I had no answer. I searched for Danielle everywhere. His number didn't work. His apartment was empty. It was like he never existed. Days turned into weeks. I lost friends. Money ran out. I took small jobs, cleaning, waitressing, just to survive. But every night his face haunted me. His smile, his lies. Then one evening, months later, I turned on the news, and there he was, Danielle. But his name wasn't Danielle. It was Michael Reeves. He was a fraud, a con man wanted in 3 states. And the files? They had nothing to do with my boss. They were bait, a trap to make me the scapegoat while he disappeared with millions. Millions that I had placed in his hands. Now, I sit here, 26 years old, unemployed, broken, betrayed. Sometimes I ask myself, was it my fault? Did I want to believe too much? Did my dreams blind me? I don't know. All I know is that one smile, one dinner, one choice can destroy everything.